Happy June, everyone! Are you ready to relaunch your business? How did you navigate through the chaos that everybody was experiencing? The fact is, the strong, the people with the proper business model will definitely survive and thrive, like many mastermind members in the Inspiration management community. And then you have the not so fortunate, the weak, the people who did not have a healthy business to begin with. They were operating too close to that break-even point. They did not have a solid foundation, and sad but true, they may vanish. But you know what? There is always hope, faith, and love. That is why now is the time to assess your current business model and make the necessary adjustments to chart a path to success. You must have a plan for a successful recovery and relaunch. Now is not the time for trial and errors. You must implement a proven, successful medspa or spa business model and plan. So I want you to keep reading or keep watching, because you will definitely find some answers in this month's Inspiration Moments. So enjoy. First, I would like you to start by reading the featured article. In it, you'll find steps to making the right business choices now that are good for now, that will lead to success. You see, many business owners right now are scrambling, not knowing what to do. They're not so sure of which way to go. So make sure you read the article so you can benefit from all the great strategies I share in it. Also in this issue, you will find a great bright idea. It's a webinar that I did called Avoiding 10 Obstacles That Could Be Blocking Your Success. Now, what are these obstacles and how can you overcome them so you can reach success? You need to read or watch the bright idea to find out more. Also, in the Dory Recommends, if you are ready to open your med spa or spa, I would love for you to watch a webinar to help you reopen, market, and operate your medical spa or spa successfully post coronavirus. So watch the MAP series that we have been doing. Say no to Netflix for a change, and yes to the Inspiration Management YouTube channel. There you will find hundreds of videos to help you with your business. And also stay tuned for the product of the month. The product of the month this month is the Leap Ahead seminar, and we are taking it virtual. I'm so excited. So if you want to relaunch your business properly and have a solid foundation for success, join us in July and August for the Leap Ahead seminar virtually. So make sure you read that and see all the great bonuses that I have there for you. And before we dive into the entire content, I want to wish all the dads a happy Father's Day. Yes, it's June already. Can you believe it? So make sure you take care of your dad and make sure you give him something nice, like a lot of love. That's, after all, that's really what he's looking for. And then make sure you check out all the important dates we have below to make sure you join us for all the upcoming events that we have going on. So stay tuned for the featured article, and I will see you soon. Until next time, stay inspired.